It's the weekend, New Jersey, and I'm Chief Meteorologist Joe Martucci, ready to break it all down for you here with our weekend scoop. Let's get into it. And we are going to take a look at climatological winter and our weekend scoop. Those are the coldest 3 months of the year, which just ended on February 28th on our Friday. And the theme, cold. It was our coldest winter since 2014 here. And not only that, it was persistently cold. We were below the average in December, January, and February here. And remember, the average goes from 1991 to 2020. They're 30-year averages. But still, even though our 91 to 2020 average is warmer than, let's say, our 61 to 90 average, still pretty significant with the cold that we had, considering how consistent it was. And of course, it was dry, evidenced by our drought that still remains throughout the state of New Jersey. We continue our roller coaster ride of temperatures. Remember, on Friday, we were cooler as a cold front passed through. And then there's an Arctic cold front that just continues to stay to our north. In fact, a warm front slides through just enough on Saturday to give us a warm day. Temperatures will be in the low 60s in some places inland. And then we go to Sunday, and it's cold as a potent cold front passes through early in the day. And high temperatures on Sunday expected to be below average even for the middle of January. Here's a look at our futurecast here. We are dry throughout the weekend. Notice those black lines are kind of tight together over New Jersey. Those are isobars, or lines of equal pressure. The tighter they are, the stronger the wind blows, and we'll see gusty winds as we go into our Saturday. Wind gusts will be 25 to 35 miles an hour out of the west-southwest, so it's a warming wind. We go into Saturday night, winds weaken, and then on Sunday it's a bit breezy, but those winds come from the north and west, and that will add to the wind chill factor on our Sunday if you're going to be out and about. Here's a look at our weekend numbers here. So much milder Saturday compared to Sunday here. It's weather whiplash for us. We go to the shore, and it's pretty much the same story. Overnight lows around 40 degrees as we go Friday night into our early Saturday morning here. And that 40 is warmer than our high temperature on Sunday by a few degrees. Speaking of the shore, in Belmar, we have the ever so popular St. Patrick's Day Parade. And, I went to the Belmar St. Patrick's Day Parade 3 years ago, 2022. It was warm. It was in the 60s. Not the case here. We're going to have plenty of sunshine, but air temperatures only going from the mid-20s to the mid-30s, and those wind chills is what you see in that light blue. Yeah, you're going to need layers, and you're definitely going to be outside, of course, for the festivities. So dress warmly, dress smartly. I think you'll be fine. Then we kick the can down the road to Wednesday. The Storm Prediction Center, which is part of NOAA, has South Jersey, pretty much south of the Atlantic City Expressway, in a risk for severe weather on Wednesday. Typically, when we get something this far out, it's because there's something significant going on. So I'm going to keep in the potential for thunderstorms on Wednesday, and the possibility of damaging winds and some hail will be there as well. Temperatures are cold for our Sunday and Monday. Then we moderate as we go into the rest of next week, but no big warm-ups in the next 7 days.